Hello guys. So this one is another quick tip for young developers, and I want to talk about overlapping issues. There is a common case when you have on event begin and end overlap for something small like the light switcher. For instance, this case. So as you see, you start overlap, you have the light on, you end overlap, the light goes off. But there is one corner case. People actually don't have the workaround almost all the time. And this one is, for instance, if you have the spawn system where you have like unpredictable spawn zone. It can be in multiplayer games, or for instance, if you have the save system and you make the save file at the location where your player is actually overlapping your bounding box, your overlap box. And when the game is loaded, your logic simply won't work. Let me show you. So in this case, as you can see, I start the game and nothing happens. But when I start overlapping it, everything works. That's because this event is triggered once, particularly on overlapping. So as you can see, this code of my overlap light, this actor, has very common logic. I cast to check whether it's my character and then simply set intensity to something high and to something small when I end overlapping it. You may say, yep, I can make event begin play with this kind of logic. So simply I need to cast from my default pawn to see whether it's actually the third person character, as in my example. Then there is one node is called is overlapping actor, and from this description you can see that it's checking whether any component of particularly this actor is overlapping other actor. In my case it's third person character, and if it's so, this one condition simulates sort of this logic. I simply set intensity to something high. But as you, if you haven't seen my previous videos, please go and check it. The logic can be executed with some delays, because not all its conditions on the event begin play may be initialized at the time when you actually launch the game. So you may see that I have event begin play, cast, check this condition and set intensity. Once I launch the game, you may see I'm standing right here, but nothing happens. That's because this overlapping actor here can't produce proper result at the one frame. So if I try to print out the value, whether it's overlapping actor or not, you may see, let's go with by print string, you may see here was the message. One more time. Here it is. So yet another one example of how to deal with this one, it's to use the timer. And let me see. Yep. On event begin play, I can simply use this kind of logic. I set timer by event, which loops over a particular period of time, and I have stored timer. Now we don't need have this condition. We simply can copy paste it here and Here you can see I have the custom event, which is called check overlap on init. That's pretty much the same that I was showing you a few minutes ago. We check on cast. If we have overlap, we simply clear and validate our timer, and then all the logic that you want to have, like this one, will actually trigger. Sorry for this sort of noise. So now, when we have this logic arranged, we can actually launch the game and see whether it works. And as you may see, it works perfectly fine. Now let's set our timer to 3 seconds. So delay between the custom event is executed going to be 3 seconds. And as you can see, everything works fine. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys, and maybe it will help also help you to prevent such common problems. So as always, please subscribe to my channel, leave your feedback, press the like button, and of course if you want to support me, you can visit my Patreon page. See you soon.